Welcome back to Modular Hippo, the channel where I'm trying to build a 36-foot aluminium sailboat in my backyard. I've been on holiday for 3 weeks, so it's been a while since I posted, but I'm finally back to start to push all these different mini projects within the project to make some progress. So let's take a look. One area I am pushing forward is the aluminium battery boxes. I left the parts off to be tacked before I left on holiday, and luckily they have been tacked up and they look great. So the idea is to go and pick those up beginning next week so I can push that forward. I have also received some assistance from Louise, the designer, in terms of making sure that all the other parts are adjusted so that the box can fit into the boat. On the 12-volt DC side, I've started to look at some of the components. I have put an order in for the chargers. So one is the 230 VAC charger that will run from the inverter, and the other one is a 48-volt to 12-volt charger that will run directly from the battery. We also got some components for the 12-volt DC junction box. So we have all the different fuses that I will need. We have a main isolation switch, 40 amp. Got the glands for the different size cables and some other isolation switches. I haven't really done the design of this yet, and I'm not 100% sure if all of these components will fit into this IP65 box, but I am sure we can give it a go, see how it comes out. I am glad I labeled these before I went on holiday, because otherwise it would be tricky to keep track of. So that is for the MPPT charge controller, so anything coming in from solar panels. That will be from the Victron 230 volt AC charger. That will be the main going into the 12 volt fuse and on-off panel. That's the 48 volt to 12 volt battery charger, and that's the fuse going to the actual battery itself. And that's why it's 125 amp. As always, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. There's a separate playlist for the motor build and another separate playlist for battery related and component related stuff. And if you have any questions, stick them in the comments and I will respond within 24 hours. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.